Where we last left off on the fire truck was that massive air leak in the air brake system. So we're going to get into fixing that today so we can move it around safely on the property. And then we're going to do a couple other big improvements to the fire truck.
All right.
Well, this is what it looks like inside that relay valve. A lot of contamination, and a piece of this goo apparently was sticking it open. Is it holding air?
Yeah, I'm holding there. I think that was the tank filling.
Yeah, you want to step on the brake one more time? You pushing down really hard?
Yeah, it's all the way.
Okay, release. Yeah, it's working. Good. Okay, so all I did was just clean that old one up and put it back on there, and it's working. I'm not going to drive on the road with it. We did order a new one. It's just not here yet, but I wanted to have the brakes working enough to move it around on the property. I know I've had a lot of guys ask me about the radios in here. And of course the siren, which there's no speaker in here for that, so I got to get a speaker for it, and hopefully that'll work. That's supposed to be a really, really good one from what some people have said. And then underneath the seat in here, the radios are still in here too. Somebody might be able to kind of identify what some of that is. I have no idea. But yeah, I mean, obviously it's illegal to broadcast on it, but it'd be nice to be able to hook it up to hear things on it or figure out what the frequencies are, if that's legal to do. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I thought I remember it being illegal to have a police scanner in your car for some reason, but it's fired different frequencies than police, or I don't know how that works. I don't know what's legal and what's not. But the radios are still in here, so it'd be cool if we could listen to stuff. But if not, no big deal. I have a really long trumpet air horn. We're gonna go ahead and install it on the fire truck. One of my clients left this for me, something extra they had. I can't remember who it was though. Jonathan's gonna test the air horn. Jonathan's mounting the new giant air horn on here. The old mounting bolts are gonna work?
I gotta make a new front one.
Oh.
Just trying to see if this fitting fits through the roof.
Does it line up?
Yeah.
Thanks, monster. Just put a little Permatex on there to help seal it up. It would only leak when the horn was on anyways, but Going through the carpet?
Yeah.
Is that 1/8 inch NPT?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Needed to get an 1/8 inch NPT one and a 1/4 inch one. Size. This also takes that tiny little insert there. Yeah, that should be good.
Look like a rock climber.
Throw a couple of zip ties on it there and it'll be good to go. Up to 120 in the air there. You want to hop in there and pull it? Nice. Yeah, there's the pull rope up there. It goes to the little air switch. That's what does the air horn on it. Okay, kind of cut off the ends of those zip ties. Or maybe not, just leave them like that and drive somebody who's anal retentive very, very nuts. No, we'll cut them off.
Damn, stick out this far.
I think it'll work. It's a little bigger tire. It's a, what size is that tire?
This tire?
Yeah.
11R, 24.5.
Okay, so it's 11R. So that's pretty close to a 12R.
What is this thing?
22.5. That's probably an 11R 22.5. So these rims are 2 inches bigger, which is what the.
But the hole should match up.
Yeah, the studs will. And we got plenty of stud length on there. Let me see those wheel studs again, but you have to go up to an aluminum rim. We got plenty of room. Let's try it. That's a lot safer than what's on there. These have massive cracks in the sidewalls. These are 1020s. Yeah, this tire is from 2012, so still old, but there's no cracking or anything on it, so it's in really good shape. And I mean, that one's from the 1900s. You'd have to go extra high to get the other tire on. That's probably good.
So that's all of it.
Spin it. Let's take a listen to the wheel bearing on it. I don't hear anything, right?
Nope.
Good.
I should brush it to do that.
Will this thing do it? Let me go get a big pry bar.
Spin it up.
Oh, you got it. That tire looks okay on there. It's a lot larger than what was on there,
Oh yeah.
but it fits. All right, there's the fire truck. My toy fire truck with that giant air horn on it now. It's so loud. It's such a low tone too. I'm surprised how low the tone is. And then the shiny giant aluminum wheels on there. They are very big. I had those around. They were free. A client gave them to me. He went with a different rim because he was overloaded weight-wise on those aluminum rims. But those tires are in really, really good shape. I am keeping the old rims because they're painted like the truck. If somebody ever wants to keep it, if I ever get rid of it or whatever, they can go with it. If you can still get 10, 20 tires, I don't even know if those are still available. Or find a tire shop who'll want to put those on those rims, but they may do it. But anyways, the fire truck is coming along. It's got an air horn now. Excited about that. It's got safer front wheels. Nice. Oh, and the air brakes work. That's another bonus.